Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef with rice. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 pound of beef, your preferred rice, and any vegetables you plan to use. Slice the beef into thin, uniform strips. Marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic to infuse it with delicious flavor before cooking. While the beef marinates, cook 2 cups of rice according to the package directions, ensuring it's fluffy and ready. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Sear the marinated beef in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan until it's beautifully browned on all sides. This step locks in the juices. After searing the beef, sauté your chosen vegetables like sliced bell peppers and onions until they are tender crisp. Return the seared beef to the skillet with the cooked vegetables. Pour in your savory sauce, perhaps a mix of beef broth, soy sauce, and a touch of cornstarch, and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens nicely. Finally, spoon the delicious beef and vegetable mixture generously over the hot, fluffy rice. Garnish your dish with fresh herbs, such as chopped green onions or cilantro, for an extra burst of flavor and color. This meal is perfect for a weeknight dinner or entertaining guests. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade beef with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.